This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. Its top features include dual power seats, a power rear liftgate, a heated driver's side view mirror, MP3 CD changer, interior wood trim accents, performance tires, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Smale Honda Village is conveniently located at 5043 Route 30 East in Greensburg. We are less than a half a mile from the Westmoreland Mall. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials and leasing offers, and make sure to visit us at smalehondavillage.com.